If you have ever wished to record video on iPhone while music is playing in the background and got a bit disappointed to know that there didn't exist an option to do so, now is the right time to celebrate. With the introduction of iOS 18, you can shoot videos on your iPhone with music. Yeah, you got that right. If that's exactly what you're after, this hands-on video is for you. That's it, let's get started. So first off, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. After that, select the Camera app to proceed. Then you have to select the Record Video option. And finally, you have to ensure that the toggle next to Allow Audio Playback is enabled, and you are all set. Going forward, the audio playback will no longer pause automatically when recording video. As a result, when you are playing audio using your iPhone speaker, audio will be recorded in mono. Now that we have unlocked this cool camera feature, make the most of it to record fun-loving videos with music and share them on Instagram or elsewhere. And I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe.